Wow, Goldman Sachs has cut its recession probability from 25% down to 20%. Yeah, the recession has been canceled. Yeah! Are your family positioned for this? Are your family and you safe when the recession comes? They're saying that the recession has been canceled, right, is because of all these great job data, right? Great retail sales data, great everything data, right? And look at this. This is what they do after they announce the great data. They adjust it down by 104,000 jobs. That's the non-farm payrolls, NFP revisions since January 2023. So for the last 1.5 years, or 18 months, they've been mostly adjusting the jobs numbers down by about 58K, 104K every month except 2 of those months. Is that a coincidence, or do we still think that the job market is great for America? Or maybe the reality is they've been pumping this market up with fake, mostly fake job numbers, right? And then to get them off scot-free legally, they adjust those numbers down a month later in their revisions so that, no one gets in trouble legally. But how has the market been reacting to all of this? Well, as I predicted, the market has bottomed on the Monday when the crash happened, right? Because it's all following the US dollar Japanese yen exchange rate. For Bitcoin, for example, right now the key to watch is this 59.5K level. That's that blue line right there, right? Last week on the close, we couldn't close above it, right? And that's why this week we're seeing more swinging below, right, this 59.5K level. For the NASDAQ, it's a different story. My prediction for the last 3 weeks has been spot on for the NASDAQ because I told everyone that it all depends on the US dollar Japanese yen exchange rate, right? And that it has probably bottomed, which means Bitcoin and the NASDAQ. QQQ is the NASDAQ ETF, has also likely bottomed on Monday. That was more than a week ago when I was talking about the crash, right? And look what happened. Well, the NASDAQ has been on a massive bounce, right? So basically this blue line is the NASDAQ, right? And it's up something like 20%, right? In just 2 weeks, 20% in just 2 weeks. Why did I predict this? Because, well, this red and green, chart, the candle chart, is the US dollar Japanese yen exchange rate. Look, the blue line has followed the Japanese yen exchange rate almost step by step on the way down and almost step by step on the way up as well. It's overshot the Japanese yen by a little because they released all those fake economic numbers, getting everyone to believe that the US economy is actually great. Short term, I think they will keep this party going, but in a few months, I think the NASDAQ tops like a major top. Follow Pablo for more.